another day, another project. But first I want to show you what we done on our Audi S2. Here is the conversion. It's already, the Audi is already, this guy is already have a 5 lock nut bolt conversion, but here is the original from another Audi original knuckle, and we convert to 5 bolt again. But what is different, we convert, this is front hub from Audi S4, your S4, S4, S6, it's not matter how you can call, but this is from C5 chassis, and this is already stronger rear axle, because we have a stronger front, now it's a stronger rear. Front join outer and front join inner, but this is the shaft, it's custom made and much stronger. We do the machine for install the BMW bearing inside, because it's same outside diameter, but inside diameter is different. This original one is 43, this one is 42. We machine this hub, and now we can sandblast it, paint it, and start assembling the rear one. And then we start to install ceramic rotors with a ceramic brake caliper from McLaren, and make the custom bracket. The front one, it's already done. You can see this conversion, it's both sides, the front and front left and right is already converted, and we install the new things. It's a turbocharger, speed sensor, and finally we can assemble it, everything under hood, and start make some power. But let's drop this project, because we planning to do the big vlog, big video, what we done, what our plan and our goal on this car. Let's back to our routine. Oops, this guy, Ferrari 488. If you remember, we done the maintenance, spark plugs, few things, but car is still have a problem with the lip mode. Oh, by the way, we replaced the brake actuator. Car still have a problem. Is going to lip mode and no more than 3000 rpm. We pull diagnostic code. The car is being tuned, DME tuned Texas. We already detuned that car. It's like back to stock software, but car still have problem with the timing over retarded from bank one. And we do the first, they have a Leonardo give our option to synchronize crankshaft and camshaft. It didn't help after cold start. The code is still back and limp mode. We ordered 4 camshaft adjuster solenoid, and now we want to replace, before check what's going on with timing, we want to replace this solenoid. And of course we did the oil change. The car has 40,000 miles and it's really strange, it's really low miles. This guy, just simple maintain and oil change. This guy is still waiting for parts. California, we just like Christmas coming, and of course always problem with delivery and shipping. We almost received all engine mount. We need to replace transmission mount, it's cracked already, and engine mount too, it's leaking. We need to replace all engine mount. This guy, guys, you remember this car, right? Yeah, this is JackUltramotive, and we have a big challenge with this spoiler. Why I mean the big challenge? Because Vorsteiner. It's a big wing, and this wing from V10 Plus model. What does this mean? We have to convert this just let's say regular V10 to V10 Plus. We have to delete this automatic electronic spoiler to solid spoiler, and we need so many parts for this conversion. 2-time, it's like, let's say it's 3rd time they messed up again. They sent, now it's 1st time they sent exactly same motor, electronic motor than actual car has. 2nd time they try to do 2nd time and they sent still wrong parts. And 3rd time we give them part numbers, everything what we need for that conversion, and then they already sent to us real parts what we need. But they messed up again. They forgot to order the different spoiler. They have mesh grill inside for cooling down because now it's not opened, and this is different mounting for spoiler because that small piece mount on this big spoiler, and then all together they mount on the frame on these 2 bracket. If you can see, this is these 2 solid bracket, they hold the spoiler. Boy, nothing there. And we talked to Jack and he give okay and ask us to drill hole here and there and install this solid piece without mesh grill. And of course I like it. I like this idea. I want to see how this looks, and probably I want to play with this today. Finish this car and finish that car, but I'm really excited about this spoiler, how is that spoiler looks. Okay, let's start. Okay, new bracket already over there. That cover just need a little bit clean it. I make special I installed the nutser over here. You can see nutser with a washer to adjust rear panel, and they sanded one, it's right hangers, another one that the support bracket is they forgot to sand, but I just little bit modified original one. And now it's time to pre-fit bumper and start drilling holes and adjust the old spoiler. Well, this is another day challenge with this spoiler installation, and we do a little bit different way. What I mean different way? We install original V10 spoiler or V10 mount and Vorsteiner spoiler. Okay, let me explain. Here is the bracket. Here is the another bracket for hold all the time. Already installed, just little bit modified one support for rear cover, rear panel, because Vorsteiner, it's a third time mess again. I think some wrong miscommunication with sales department, or with some no idea what they miss again. Anyway, we do a little bit different way now. Welded one more support, and I will explain for what, to avoid any movement and vibration. Then we do the few nutser, because this new cover came without these things. The spoiler, gently spent a lot of time to drill hole and adjust in right place, because if you little bit miss some, you have not beautiful looks. Welded middle support and same thing, and already seal it. Now finally I wanna install these things and show how is these things looks. Well, this beautiful is completely done. Spoiler mount, and last things what I'm do, of course, after you remove the spoiler, you have a warning indicator. We done decoding and programming now. Just a low tire pressure. No anything about the spoiler. Refill the fuel, and that's it. No warning. Our job is completely done. I hope Jack love his new looks and love his big spoiler. So sexy. I love it, and I love that we spent little more time for this installation. Original, but no any mesh grill, and looks more cleaner.